Bobodi aso pe banku bi adi kokonte abete na wanya brode atoto medi bi chache magani atoto wapuhu ni nyina abeboa amapom de asipia sita didi nanum nsuo entra ho ema osa bi anyew didi
didi aduane ede
agba yi osa aduane ede oso ba ho fe aduane ede oso ba ho fe na yawa mu nyina che anopai ye checha mu nyina Sempa 94.7 FM Ultimate Sports abin hye de bonka tamu nsam ana masin akonya me de brewi akonya ne ba ko penti nye nkonya na ne etienie eneda ya ye bosome ewo mu nda to so de dunso 17th December 2019 abato mre assembly members ana yakwakoyi omna no painti kokuma se nonso abo nonso ba babodi aso ba ko ba bi ato aba na akoto aba enuti enkratai dodo na de aba daily statement Ghana is set for local elections nipa makomako empima hanu aduoso akiripo aduasa ana mo kwakoto aba aha na se omo ene kwakogina se entom so aba ebi eya asami manfo ena afa unit committee ne nyina e kan bomu a omo edodo eno no etine no ho enkomo enie the statement ede a ode aba eno no entiene ene obi a kwakoto aba eno ho enkomo enie na yakasa yesu na the chronicle de aba na oche se new month my crowd say on me daveti kumasi sunyane highway no isa say on me show mane no ase eti eno so ho nkomo enie na chronicle na asande aba na oche mu say ranking member on committee on roads and transport ura governance Kwame Agboja ena kase na oche se senia emrashebejafie emrashebejafo pese womo atwegu amufiegu kata se okada moto ayisu onkran krom ne miamia hodo bebere no se enimramu no wono de na adwenkyeremu pa de ana na adwen no wo se ebetumi a sa mra no me hye se okada no me enyusu wo se abuaba papa wo hwe akwa hodo sonko a okada yi efa so de bua nkrofo traffic asi twom no do akokoduru wo se MPC ni bi kura tumi efro okada bi esa so wa late traffic ache no na okwadwuma okomahye bedwafie enti wono de wo se ye pa enti se ye be hye mra se entwamu no anya de na neje ho na dwenkyere enie na akata kura no de aba na oche se Ghana workers of Ghana Railway Company wamo ana sabre de omo ho samaba ni nyina ne se Ghana Company we Ghana Magazine Company Limited GMCL wamo temporary suspension no ena omo di hu nkomo chese nya de a ebebo akwakwa nti eno so hu nkomo enie makrata de aba eye the chronicle emunsam ebi eno no nti ni mont de ya kan eno so ha se ne edika ka chom se wamo be ye davehi omo daveti Kumasi Sunyani Road isan se wamo eba be ye omo betu omagudie no etine so nkomo de find that so find no de aba na oche se Kodak for letter kan se poka na dai ena yakwakoto aba ne santi ena adwumakuei wamo de aba betu dwa na omo che se sankofo ma mehwe omudi no kra ba hayi katafa to so enum ena omo je so obi akwakoto aba obi amomode se obobe electoral laws no be dimra so eno the Coalition of Domestic Election Observers womo na ekase na omo che se obi anya krado se ne de akwakoto aba obedi mra so ne yesi woye no no aye ne emra be ka to se menye no enye kwakoto mprenu enkonko ye bibia enkonko fafu camera bia enkonko wura boot ho enkonko twa enkonko che obi se me ko en sam pass me to ama matama wo se ni nyina no enya de eboa enti yenya hweye papa ena afi Dr. Bawumia wono na yem omampadi abedi akiri wakate sword ode aso abofom twa ode aso abofom ni nyina ne se 100 bed hospital ewo walewale ena omba besie omo abesi enti ne so eho enkomo enie na security enzo so hu semsem no na mampani na dan kwafufu ado enzo so e de aso abafom ni nyina se military base e wo Dwomoro wo mo ba besi enu ti na gese sword cutting emu ensem the finder nia ode aba ebi eno no na yemfa krata ye Daily Guide de ba mane na Daily Guide ba amane bonu owura Kwasi Amuakwata Minister of Roads ne mfoni edaha no se emrahye badwafo approve 2.3 billion Ghana cedis se yemfa meye akwan etine no so ehun komo enie na krata ede aba na district level election so today enunti sabre so krata Daily Guide eba ho mane confusion over Kaswa cops killers lawyer eno so ehun sam enie eti krata ede aba no chese o hwe Kaswa aposifo posiniya dua eba beto dwa se wabonu tuo no eno na o chese confusion so ayabasa ewo ho etine no so ehun komo enie na something most wanted robbery suspect cage etiaka say one of the country's wanted robber sana krata discover no Baba Musa ena sabe de so ne ho ka dwam papa na be se efficiency nie ena posifu dini tente saa munya no enso ne de a posifu so mate asem de atadwe etu ma chi damfui enso ogina ho etine no so nkomo krata ede aba Daily Guide emu ensem ebi enie na yefa Ghanaian Times the Ghanaian Times amane ba wabonie Ghanaian Times say enenso so ekwakoto aba no nsem ewa ha kama pa ena ningina so wode aba police interdicted for shooting driver's mate eno under the babetu dwa se Lance Corporal Frank Kofi Amuako krata chese obo driver's mate ana driver ni mate tuo no afi de krata de aba se ya interdict no ya woro na tade eso mo ye hwehwem etenu achi se ya tare mbema no ana se yefama no eno so nkomo eda ha etina eno so ni 20 drivers arrested for traffic offenses na krata de aba no se oche mu se adawo fo be se duenu na protocol rom ni nyina ne se traffic offenses no chese o mabusu papa erunti enam so ama sa enkomo yi krata yi ede aba ene anopa yi Ghanaian Times GT emu ensem na aba no afi Daily Graphic
okay good
ena obo mamane ya dika kwa de to just 57,030 contest district elections today etine no so hon komodi ne nam so ne say enti ama pose for so de aba betu dwa no chese apose for be se 48,000 ena omodo omo agum se omo nkohwe ema banbo enso entumi enyina peme etina Daily Graphic enkomo de abano ebi eno no
good one there
enti yemfa
the major one dey here pa no na abana nkasa ye abato na the assembly elections na ye to no enne no obia wo vote akona koto na you assemblyman eno I don't know assemblyman na no ya
na assembly no mitie bi ensema mo kana
omunyina
ebinya serious
na say dem mo kana
na nsema okay dey hwe
that we say omo follow MPs no nsema omo follow presidential candidate ni so the same ayina no mo
akwa metie no chese bobo nie ma chese ebi crazy da assembly man
sesa tezi
enti obi kika sa enti disqualify no
that you we no disqualify no papa na ye ko sadi election no misema
ya kan sam na mema ti na mema fufuo na wan hwan
okay my show be tie democrat na ai yaba no eno no we dey sports mu dey no na yetumi
good morning
be
ba jo so ho ye nyame ase enche tie fo nyina be ba jo ma menyin fi on tentem na fe yentoa ye yenkoma akachiri so we ye Koroko Express na eda enim hayi the official mouthpiece of Asante Koroko Sporting Club and eda ham na ohwe ye the banner headline say Bako cleared giving green light to play ni nyina ne say ye Maxwell Bako na say you say onya shin injury ma brantie na battle injury sa na nei Maxwell Knodu eba na brantie no yese ne ho ye dia all start training na ye ni gisem kese pa ade Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye bobuko no yese wa returning with a high hopes season wait me give you all the best the ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko and abetum Kotoko Express ne fans ni nyina age a ye de abeto krata na chi or say back with more to achieve Kunedu start work and I Kotoko fans omo ammo be anase omo twahia eye Maxwell Kunedu ho na selfie ahodo mu twa omo ni age pa smiles and omo bi me with am say papa ya wa bay the magical wine no oba sakra Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobuku no amo betima for Tampa e de fra ni nyina no e wo Kotoko the front page no o ma captain pa na the big game on Sunday Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene ya Accra Hearts of Oak say the return encounter sa game the first leg na metima cast the first leg no ya bon Kumasi second leg na sanko Kumasi e beye se engege no game no beye fe brutal ya the best league season ase was the President Cup move to Kumasi and also so Kotoko for team ya capture mu say omani abrepa match na empire beja ehun komano unya Kotoko Express obetimi akenkan what ya say Kunedu start work no ohwe Maxwell Kunedu na washene trouser kama wabone shoe kama na odini jersey Kotoko jersey na waposition nurse so a chire preface abrante obobo lampa otimi say se si gina no bia ncho say wabobo pen footballer pa na eno so I captured hormone let's perform with confidence ni nyina ba Emmanuel Jenfi na ya say omo chene say ekwan bia season no o man home so last season omo chene say nyoma ansheda ankwe make time omo ball omo confederation omo chene say na performance no on and off inti this season I promise say kwan bia so no obemma ni home so na otinye deliver the abua krobia emetema Kumasi Asante Kotoko back with more to achieve now and now share Maxwell Kunedu ya captain bi Kotoko Express crew ya na we share 2011-2012 season Maxwell Kunedu the Kotoko edge the Premier League no make the Ghana Premier League no now share was say 63 points and papa etimi ama say and onya 43 goals the Kumasi Asante Kotoko and onya only 18 goals conceded. There's a goal say share Kotoko 18 and a win percentage no 80% and omudiaba yes excessive wins no 4 na just say share mako and 9 to aswa na Kotoko NTC defeat bia e horoma omche say yenije sempa their biggest win no wachi wasaman eshe na mako and 9 watimu baako and na wachi Ashanti Gold share miensa wantimi ansimu adabraka ni nyina nkoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko Express no wetimi capture center spread ni na oba colorful pictures Kotoko mrante no training den mehu Felix anano ha wone Isaac Ayaba na o training den and a lot of the players no Augustine Sifa and so bonnet the Samuel Frimpong Ejnem and a Justice Blee striker Richard Atta omnyina captured center spread Kotoko Express on sakabia osubetimi anya ntro kama na watimi akenkan sound so na a very cagey meeting wa harmon me hu say harmon Maxwell Kunedu wone ne lawyer Nana Kisi Jambibi na afi Maxwell omte ho na omo bonkomo pa ni nyina Kotoko ebusuaku no enkomo wo mnya asem kuma how long would Kunedu last no ye question kese pa opinion ono so etimi atro akwasi boaten boama esqua na atro wase Maxwell ba ya man fans kese pa infie saying bosume saying and papa odi wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko boku num eno so ya sembisa ode amagana fo me ba cho wo anu yi Kotoko Express ni bi na okenkan a odi anu yi no edi ama me ba cho the find the ni me di twato haramo o say tough draw for English clubs na say the Champions League draw no by City of Real Madrid Chelsea so any Bayern just am for last stop any now here the front page me say Zinedine Zidane ha na Pep Guardiola what man ne satian so minim so they war Zidane afon ho dia or man a big one o say baby adu no ye be celebrity the boys from the men enya sem kuma ni nyina no the Finder Sports etinya capture ye the details nyina Emma but o share the right corner o say Sani Dara Kofi Menu others to appear before GFA ethics committee that's Simbiamba unu say Anas exposing the buy
afi no babe ho dwuma
say ethics committee aba enti yes ye man kofo bi the opportunity
normalization buy mo ethics committee we won kai afi no babe tra
you see that's the issue but ethical issue
afi ne better normalization committee
now Kofi Manu still was ye adwuma wo afi wana say wo football person
ya di mu akotra so drafted ya ne require your friend say new GFA status and input
no
was he not part of the committee
Bibri
and your last minute omu say odu your friend say Congress or by hard na mo share that crocodile the job is here.
And you see more opportunity. We are referee now. We are captured. We are administrator. We are captured. Ethics committee so and chombetina say ombeto musadia from ubi amra na umi na no say uhunsowa ombetima clear no wetimi e de akomapa ayoduma. Poor coaching hindering Ghana's chances of producing world champions. Azuma des in nekasa no was ba boxing mu ade a edi boxing nya kroma pa no poor coaching was say yen sheda nya train coaches here omkuta professional touch omde train your boxers no ni senti umudru akono a ne mu ayeden de amomo pa o say ho na o say Ghana eni etumi kopa maintain 18 team league beyond this season. Clubs beg GFA sa issue we esrepa o maka wa say o say
we asem we only work about the better account first you say your bowia instead of say be relegation for 5 teams no my yen relegation the normal trainer
5
na you maintain 18 club league no be no be interest will be obi customer as say every pardon interest or obi no the ekasa
no but the interest no pure Congress I was saying I want to share interest no I want also come to me Georgia because on the Congress floor no say no buy but the who say ntofia ko na timi gyan na so echechire mu article o say timi eyi film ya de am for bonu tugu yi Shabri for no sorry bonu tugu punches left right center Emma papa no wenya support bia
all because yeah pentema pam normalization committee
open terminal pam mu ni wie
omon contem na
open terminal pam ni wie na san come back to hurt you hadwene that's assembly isi wo Congress that me tia se me ye me nwa pa say debate ni course no na papa bi wo yes school members say ona ma chiri na o tuetua sika man crofo say eba vote na they should vote against say I say 18 no they should vote for the 18. What you say? Enti sasa no so beba me so enzem bebre ho mo be Congress a ye be po ni nyina wa hanamo e de amomo what you say na fe omudu Congress a matimi deliberate upon but Puma to review new kits for Ghana in September 2020 where Puma the official kit sponsor for the Ghana Black Stars national team say be me new kits be pahon to makra enti atwe o na fe atimi ahwe should Kwesi PS contract be extended when it ends this month no enaba na ohwe harma na prempe ono ensentoni oso there be o see extend na Kwesi de problem be any ho ono ache na dwen na Michael Abedu ono say yes Kwesi Appiah is a good coach and must be given another contract and ono say there ba Awa Bukari ni o say Kwesi Appiah contract must not be extended after December. On also and a Sheriff Ebu was say I don't support the call for Kwesi Appiah's contract to be extended. We know nyina Ghana for against the fan zone and nyina no omedia ba yabobo so kama pa e di ama ebusan for boss player am say ko wakata hodo e ba no.
Okay.
Na tweet no na Queen Star say Galam say tweet bi wo hanumtin. Me na menyi diaban no say am fa mantem me sorry ya no come say okay we Jonathan Mensah was say gratitude is a must and what on kama eriaba Samuel Teteni was say what an amazing year 2019 see you next year and to the fans thanks to you all for the great support I say #God is the reason and also I kama pa Abdul Mukarama Abdullah Mukarama was say learn dream and do and about I say it's not to be okay grateful Christian Benteke was say not our best performance but we had fight. Great finish by Wilfred Zaha. We some Twitter personalities no the by boss player call him.
All right. Enti yabakwanim dia na say we are still live on Asempa 94.7 but from Metro from mama na omra me no by sa oni aho oni ade ajan man ko na yes we do asa obeka Ghana for nim anope yo obeto yampia ne ade but enye bibia ono minimza na assembly election obeto with dia say obi dey honorable aponche ai o trendisa harmo bayentie yofa aja obaye ebiana or the asem enam enti yenko tie no we are live on Facebook uti offer obetimi the comment aba na yetimi akwani mu ha
amacho
offer
na o hwe bezimu no Avi and Mamma.
Over there.
Everybody bring ya.
Oh, now, bro, by this time, we'll be already Brunya Sama 99.
And today,
What did Brunya Macron 89?
Nanto, you know, at your community, and
At your Croya 90. When you're 90 years, what did Brunya Macumacu 90? Oh, San could Brunya Bium. But after 19, I cannot.
Oh, my God, and nobody over me who ya.
Oh, Debbie.
How much?
As somebody here, and say,
Anything.
Who did in Chinaka, not when Yakanama, Colano Sabidibi.
And
the office for the Chinobas who didn't know the call.
and do my man run my wana.
Oh,
I was just to show you.
you see, I said by a man carry.
I'm not ready.
Missy,
When you have your day,
and now is Oma. Oma.
remember day. Number Bajma.
Yeah, they say, radio station is here too.
Oh, there you go to Bruno. Remember,
If I Brunya said, they said, Ujaman Kolai. Okay, the Brunya then I'll be with the catcher me. Send I'll be the then I'll be.
oh, that I won't break go.
Broke me my diary.
Oh, yeah, break away. Remember, I could go. If you go,
I could cause me pay.
on back go. Not one giant.
I point you them a pay.
And then,
A pen in the baby.
oh, Barrano.
Mean cast I.
Oh, you.
Debbie, the pudia.
I want you body at the end.
Debbie, now, who can't point you?
Let's answer the end.
Debbie, Miss the pudia. Oh, someone who had the offer the other.
Oh, you.
For me, I saw me cast me pay upon chinny baby. Now, what can they?
And I'm a kind of shot. Oh, you.
Over.
Mangrove, Mammy, a year fish bow. Now, JB, remember.
Nana for mo share your Facebook.
Oh,
Anyone mutia radio so. Of I say obia man official pa is say next week mo hu no. Why one message be a person of bia for man.
I feel busy with
Over na only Christmas achede bia o be ma wo fa se for mo. Hwe
but I beja credit. Beja credit na dia ma.
They were there.
You know, near the go you know.
Airtime, or can airtime.
Venga day.
Airtime, from
Oh, there you. I am from
Nadine.
Credit ya day, go for Musono.
Credit. Okay. And I'm getting airtime, you cannot airtime.
There you go.
Okay, credit, Matty.
Credit. There,
Credit.
credit.
I'll trap it and I'll get credit.
Credit.
We come for you.
Credit. Now then, I'm a woman.
Dit.
And I'm for my year by my video by a jagra and your
I'm on fast. I tell you, we show. I say, Merry Christmas offer.
I met in the Mario.
Oh, I see one can someone we show.
Mavro. Now I've been in the Mary.
Oh, man, come. Oh,
now what's the
way I am.
Oh, what's the
what's someone we show Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Brunya. Now I'm going to America.
I'm more official.
Okay,
I'm so more official.
I'm more official. But I'm going to say when I'm in court.
Yeah, Maddy.
I said when I'm a commander. And me say more fancy market too. I got some. Okada for no.
Okada. Hey, Okada for no. Say, I'm hard no crew.
Omocho. I never could say. Okada ne de hard no crew man de ampa. Ebi kura kai bo. Amode bo grofo. Traffic mu. Ale ne ga wa consider bebre wum. Dem no. Ama ne trans no hwe ne ma biye. Okada na bua pa o. Na wo fro Okada nda. Onye
Okada.
Onka echira.
Okada no. E ba mafu bi ba ko pe.
Kura wa furu bi.
But Okada no ayem hihia me de tena echire ne nya him ayem hihia keto.
Oni moto so tra.
Me pese me
Memrante bi na me twe moto. Dada sabla na koko. O koko onam sefi ene mbotam wa. Moto no. Sabla ko na sakre.
Oh, set it in and I catch for you. So catch for no. From purchasing cashier PC for no. Purchasing cashier. Can I be
Purchasing.
Purchasing cashier.
Purchasing a day.
me say
What did they?
tete no omo no to koku do
Aye.
near from purchasing cashiers woman na omo ko to koku no free nkwasi de ba ai district no what you say omo to kwa kwasi no ko to no da ba ai mantem ho no ai ahinkru no no de ba omo na from no mu skapa na say hu omo biom
Adwuma na say edomo jebesre abanya hyehyeye ema okada fo no se ne wo mo ebe ye ya ye ka de sembo wo mo twatwo bi edi no ma mo bi a number no ma ye insurance no se ne obi pra kura insurance no betimi age wo mo wo ni insurance
de ba de
omo insurance
onya insurance ema ai motor for no okay na motor no nkasa no ai afidie onti wo to ansa na betrans no jiso oye insurance
bebe ni insurance no
ende police for
ebi kura ni license
omo ya omo bi so omo say o license wen and say o insurance why insure
insurance no
okay over
and as omo ka say ye mo nya adwuma no kura de enye ezo omo ye hyehyeye e de ma wom
okay you fa hyehyeye nto no mo nya ne kama
ebo apa traffic e wo kuro mu na ano ede na mojo
traffic na free fa na ba
omojo
over
ana de ma misi ma mi no pe umie phone lines say afide mu fa me nto so na mo ntia me why omojo be ba ja
Kobe Stone ofasi ye mie phone lines na
na mo ntia me na me da me
o de mani sima mi ensa asema aba no maestro
why
say ono
Mavro.
Ova.
Ona wai.
No fa ba cho mini.
Na mbede na odwe beti mentime ma aya mum da kura.
Ova yentimi nya adwuma no ma kura. De be ya ne se ye be se bi kakra.
Odi be nya adwuma sai.
Odi be nya adwuma no ma kura sai.
O da be se next week ye be adwuma.
Ofa so ye be adwuma ma tese opekwan bi so na de ko.
Ova ba bonja ma no.
Ova nke ye be ye. Ova nke be ye mumu kakra bro. Wadaro ma.
Omo ni ade.
Ofa nka so posika o.
Omo jo me this guy dey.
Ofa say afia so.
Family phone mami.
Oh, Ofa. Me dey tui.
What's the guy who be find the iPhone no?
Come dey tui am.
Okay, 0302216545. But we know me offer Merry Christmas. Or next week oni ha. Enti ofra no wa wish no. Mamu nche.
Lebe.
Ofa o dey wish your fa. O fa no. O fa si for no. Odi dey say.
Nipacho coach Abraham in Kansani dudu na fra me apirugu chakapama. We wish wofa nyini neche mema wa fishapa.
Thank you very much. What was it for no?
Ya me shamo goze. Na nansa manfo.
Ya butre no mun kasa.
Yo.
Odi dey say. Oh, that be the line on the line no. Hello. Dabi. Me ba Odi dey say.
Hey, Kojo.
Odi dey say.
Ofa Bidiano Razaki the whole Ghana do na for me.
What fight you?
Catch off say. Nyankopon shan in fact they do anopase ya. Na mama omanya na mentem e bi se menti ofa mi twintra. In fact, ne kasa ne de obeye. Se de obo manso di, se de obo Kojo di, se de obo edi no mi se Nyankopon say. Se de Bible me ka obi fie. Na ka wo na Nyankopon sa di 15 years kan ho no. Sam le di woni Nyankopon san fa 5 years kan ho wanyi do adai.
Okay. Was it for 5 years spent count?
5 years ni ai.
Mfienum.
Awo ba.
Na pese.
Obezi mi wo.
Odi dey say.
Ekia what Malam Pat Bush.
Okay, offer to you.
Me wish you offer happy Christmas, prosperous New Year. I think so offer you bia or SICA pa do na pa na obetina radio ni so a me dey me so me just say dey mpo da bia me tie no nyame ma ne kwatenten omo ne ho ban na nyambo a fufufu e besim no I think so offer one ma be bre o de be ma ne listeners me show me this year.
Okay, yeah that's it. You back
Me this year
you want us open. I feel sisi yo ya.
Mama video
ko di say.
Ko
we to ka wa.
Ko Arafat phobia ni.
Arafat offer to you.
Offer yanene nyadwe. What I say? The Juma offer boy no gas next week. Brilliant to one madia. Ene ko ene mo mani fa baako. Mo presenter no baako. Enko offer kura. What I say na pa bia na offer nkasa number radio no so. Na say offer bega say o ko next week no the whole next week come back up say
ebesi afidade ye no ofa nyaadwen nti de hia no se mo be presenter baako akọ ofa akura na pa bia ofa kasa na ba radio no so na ofa kasa o ko sadia ye no ne nyaadwen
okay that's fact na mushroom costa no brunya kra no so ntimi nya adwuma no
mo be se me gogo ho
over here that's it yeah that's it
and amojo mesela na no zamanfo do unya ma chira jira ba
yo
mama wode
yo
na mo fanya adwuma
yo
nyame ishiramo
yo
kose na yiwai farmer lady
baba
okay
otukan kakra
ogabroje
baba ochrechi
ogabroje
dabi ya
ayo
ya de kakra bi
yo endi ani amojo ona ma de foyira
yo over here that's it
asama wa kan ma dwe ho se kwa ba mu kama kwa ma yami aduma ebezachi
over here that's it bye yo fanu no offer. We are still live on Asempa 94.7. This is the Ultimate Sports Show and you go so at the air banner just gone by offer and ofi na kura aba and they one also editing sem aba betuja ama wahu de air cost no mami first akwanya we answer na dadwen no ebe cost no yenua oti esirifi mensa ewo secondary takrade oyadwuma Sky FM oti esirifi mensa wasan air lecturer ewo aye takrade technical university and the birthday na oti ediaba was say I celebrate my birthday today with my wife. Both of us are 17th December and Friday borns at the same time. Find some time to carry our wishes on your show. And when I mean Joseph Mensa Oti Esrifi, head Disability Support and Services Unit, Takrade Technical University, and then Abigail Krantima Nyakon, teacher, Star of the Sea Kindergarten, Takrade. Of Chebi, I'm from Chebi, and she's from, and you know, she was a student. I also know a student.
But the young was a happy special birthday. I mean, a very nice gentleman. I mean, you more keep Kuskaka.
Yeah.
Very, very nice gentleman. No back crab, and you maybe fine. I mean, can
we have a story in our house.
It is uncanny wife because when you would trip out 2 Say, Mammy, I tell you, with 2 pa,